Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Chime, Cash App, and Venmo, and I will help you to decide which one is better for banking in 2025. So let's begin with Chime. It is a full-featured online bank alternative. It offers a checking account with no monthly fees, savings with interest, early direct deposits, and SpotMe overdraft protection. And now for Cash App. While it's best known for peer-to-peer payments, it also offers a free debit card, direct deposits, and investing features like stocks and Bitcoin. Lastly, Venmo. It is a PayPal-owned app that focuses on social payments. It also includes a debit card, bank transfers, crypto, and business payment support. So let's compare them in details. Number 1, banking features. Chime functions most likely a traditional bank. It supports saving goals, automatic transfers, and credit building tools. While Cash App is simpler but it offers investing and Bitcoin. Lastly, Venmo has more basic features, but it's adding crypto and business profiles. Number 2, fees and transfers. All three of them have minimal fees. Chime charges none for standard use. Cash App and Venmo both charge for instant transfers but are free for standard deposits. Number 3, ease of use. Cash App is the fastest and simplest for day-to-day payments, while Chime's interface is bank-like, and Venmo stands out for social payments and splitting expenses. Number 4, security. All three of them use encryption and two-factor authentication. Chime also partners with FDIC-insured banks, while Venmo and Cash App offer fraud protection but are less formal. Number 5, ideal users. Chime is ideal for those who want a bank replacement, while Cash App fits those investing or using Bitcoin usually. And Venmo is perfect for friend groups or small merchants. So if you want full banking, you can go with Chime. For fast P2P investment, you can try Cash App. And if your focus is social payments and shared costs, Venmo wins. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.